We're going to look at something called the event and the complementary event. Essentially, the event, which is what is happening, plus the complementary event, which is what we don't want to happen, should equal all of our events added together. So, our example here is rolling a six-sided die. Our sample space, obviously, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are all the numbers on my six-sided die. Now, I would need to determine the probability of rolling either a 1 or a 2. So let's do the event first. So my event is equal to the probability of either rolling a 1 or a 2. So therefore, my event is going to be equal to 2 divided by 6. Now, the 2 is our event. So these are the two outcomes that could have happened. So our event was either rolling a 1 or a 2. And the 6 is our sample space because there are 6 possible outcomes. Now, we can simplify this, obviously, to 1 over 3. So we can now also work out our complementary event. Now, remembering back, our complementary event are all the possible outcomes we don't want to happen. And we wanted to determine the probability of rolling a 1 or a 2. Therefore, our complementary event must be the probability of rolling a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6. Because these are all the numbers I don't want to roll. So, my complementary event is going to be equal to 4 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 complementaries divided again by 6. So we remember from before that these here are my complementaries events and the 6 is my sample space. So again, just like before, this can be simplified so that my complementary event is equal to 2 over 3. Now, we can also check our work when we do this. The reason for this is that essentially our event plus our complementary event should equal the value of 1. Okay, so we remember from before that the event was simplified to 1 over 3. And I'm going to also add the complementary event, which is what we just found out, which is 2 over 3. And that together should equal 1. Now obviously 1/3 plus 2/3 is equal to 1. Therefore, we know we have done the question correctly.